got that right.
This 59 Volkswagen.
Let's
Rusty
sell it.
rod, man. It's awesome. Check out this motor.
Yes, sir. All right, well, we'll get out here and go get me something to
The
eat.
only thing new on it. He made those.
Yeah, I tell you what, it did some serious work to that motor.
It sounded like it's all cammed up and everything.
Yeah, it did some serious work to that motor.
Needs a Hemi in it though.
And like I said, set the motor halfway.
Yeah. Zoomies on it.
Stacks on it.
What's nice about it, he said he ain't fixing nothing on it. Just gonna make it safe and drive it. Well, he's driving it now. Original glass in it. Bullet hole in it. Bullet hole in it. Headlight. The old lunchbox. So the floor pans are real good in the cab. Not that bad out here. But the sides fold down in the tailgate, and you make like a flatbed out of it. And they also would sell the steaks.
They loan that thing to you for a month to come back here and have it.
Yeah. Put the steaks on it like a steak truck. And they sold a tarpaulin, put it all on there, made like a van. Probably looked like a covered wagon. I just love stuff like this. Big old toolbox.